Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are hale and hearty. Children, I am going to begin a new topic today, which is decimals. Children, you must be knowing whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So many whole numbers we have. But sometimes it happens that value lies between two whole numbers. Means what? Means if I am measuring a ruler, मान लो हमने ruler बनाया and its value is lying between 5 and 6. For value between 5 and 6, oh, we don't have. Then to that place is starting crying. Oh, I don't have number for that. So what we did, we created a place here. But how? We created a place by taking numbers lesser than 1. Let's see place value chart first. You know the place value chart of whole numbers. This is the place value chart of whole numbers. Okay. If you see 1, so then the second place is tens, which is multiplied by 10. Okay. Then from tens we have hundreds place. Hundreds place means from 10 to 100 means again multiplying by 10. Then thousands place, again multiplying by 10. So every time we are multiplying by 10 and jumping to the next place. Okay. If I see the vice versa means if I have to go from thousands place to hundreds place, what will I do? I will divide by 10. Here hundreds place to tens place, divide by 10. And here also divide by 10. Now children, if I divide by 10 again. Okay, so I will get after 1, if you divide by 10, it will become 1 by 10. When you divide it by 10, you will get 1 by 10. So denominator is 10. So the place will be 10th. Here you will write TENTHS. You will add THS. This number is lesser than 1 as it is a fraction and fractions are always less than 1. Okay. Now again you divide by 10. So you will get 1 upon 100. That means denominator is 100. So this is 100th place. HUNDREDTHS. 100th place. Okay. Then again you are dividing by 10. You will get 1 by 1000. That is thousandths place. So here you see, here we are beginning with tenths, hundredths and thousandths place. We don't have 1th place. Why? Because whenever we are dividing 1 by 10, we are getting 1 upon 10. That is 10th place. Okay. So this decimal point segregates your whole number part with decimal part. This point is segregating and this is your decimal part. Okay. Now children, just let's see this place value. Let's start reading the place value. See here whole number is there. This is 1. Point. Point means your decimal part has started. So whenever you are reading a place value, this is 10th place. First place is 10th place. Then second place is 100th place. तो क्या लिखेंगे? 9 hundredths because it is 100th place. Or 9 upon 100 as 100th place is there. So this is the second digit after decimal. So we will have 2 zeros in the denominator. Now if you change it into decimal, so it will become 0.09. Clear? Now this 3 is at which place? Count 10th, 100th, thousandths. So it will become 3 thousandths as it is third place from the decimal. Don't forget to write S here. We always write S in the place value. Or 3 upon 1000 as it is a third place from the decimal. So 3 zeros. Or 0.003, third place from the decimal. Now look here, it is which place? Decimal के बाद first place, 10th place. 1/10. 1 के साथ s नहीं लगता है, ओके? और 1/10 और this is first place after decimal, तो 0.1. Okay, understood? Now children, we will see how to write the number name of any decimal number. Okay, see the way we are writing number name and the way we are reading is quite different. Okay, so first we will learn how to write the number name and then we will learn how to read the number. So whenever we are writing a number name of any decimal number, whole number to we write like this only. So 25 तो I will write like this only. 25. Now this point we will write like and. We will write and here. And will show point and then 162. So now how will I write decimal part? Yes, I will write the place value of the last digit in the decimal part. Now my last digit is 2. It is at which place? 10th, 100th, 1000th. So I will write the place value of that. 1000th. But here we will not write s. Number name में s नहीं लगाते हम, ठीक है? अब I have 9.25. Okay. So I will write 9. For decimal, we will write and 25. And what is the place value of last digit? Yes, the place value of the last digit is 100th. So you will write 100th here. Okay, so this way we write the number name. We see for decimal part, we will see the last digit and its place. But you know, whenever we are reading the number, practically it is not possible to read like this. So what do we do? See, whenever we are reading the number, whole number, to we read like this only, 25 point. Then in decimal part, we read each number separately, 25.162, 9.25, 8.163, 79.84, 167.3. So this way, see, whole number to we read the way we are reading, but decimal part we read a single digit. That means 163.84.3. So children, I hope you have understood this much. See you in the next video of decimals. Bye bye.